Okay guys, so I'm back with another banger video. Hey guys, so welcome to Life with D. So this is my first sit down video in Trinidad. Anyway, so this is my dorm, Sal Hall, Sir Arthur Lewis Hall. So today, the girl's sitting down and realized she needs to retighten her hair. So you guys, like, oh my gosh, look at the inspection. I can barely see the parts. Anyways. So I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna try something new today, because I realized that when I retighten with the hook, the crochet hook, it gets thin. So like my sizes are getting smaller and smaller. And I got on YouTube so that you can mix it. So you can palm roll and you can also use the crochet hook. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna try palm roll this time for the first time ever in my own hair. So yeah, so I have the products here that I use for my hair. So first, this shampoo, it finished, but I brought it from Jamaica, right? I have dry scalp issues because I have eczema, you know, stuff like that. So this really helps. But it's finished now. So the next product that I know in Trinidad that works for me is this. It has tea tree in it, and tea tree and peppermint is known to alleviate dry scalp issues. So yeah, and you know, regular conditioner. I don't use conditioner all the time, but DO5 is really good for any conditioner, I guess. So yeah, those are the products I'm gonna use to wash my hair right now, and I'm gonna come back and attempt to palm roll my hair because you girl is overdue for, oh my gosh, look at that. I'm up and leave. Oh my gosh.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I'm back with another banger video. I'm back guys from washing my hair. As you can see, so tip, random tip, when you're washing your hair, try to use warm water as much as possible, because that kind of helps to remove the excess oil that's in your hair. And then because the excess oil remove, your hair set up faster, and you know, all that build-up just melt away. So yep, so first I like to oil my hair like before I start anything. So I have this bottle, the oil running low, so I have to refill it. So let me show you guys. Oh, you guys can see the oils that I use now. So I use a lot of natural oils. So right now I'm using moringa oil, tea tree, castor oil. I really want virgin castor oil, but that's a bit expensive, and you know, as a hall student, you're the poorest of the poor.
You're the poorest of the poor.
Coconut oil, peppermint. And my friend who owns her own business gave me this oil. It's rosemary with some other ingredients in it. It's for hair growth. I will, you know, put up her page somewhere. So I mix up the concussion. Right, so obviously my hair is damp now. That's the best time to oil your hair when it's damp. Please guys, the oil holds in the moisture. Right, so I just section off my hair. Separate. It's my Chinese. And then hands with my scalp. Okay, oil the shaft. Oh god guys, I love my not me fangirling over my hair. So yes guys, well moisturized. So I don't know if you guys know, but our next random tip is to brush your locks. Right, this helps remove lint and just make your locks feel smooth, look smooth and neat. Yep, so time to actually catch up the hair now to start retightening it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys that this is my first time palm rolling. I'm used to using this, but we're not using this today, right? Let's go. Look at me, ready to do my hair without any gel or anything. Hello. So there are two gels that I use, kind of. So a retwisting gel, right? However, I realize it doesn't hold well because you know it's water based. And the next one is red one. I know some people think red one cause buildup. There's some type of red one that causes buildup for real, but this orange one seems to work for me and other people with locks. So yeah, and it smells so good. I think it actually smells like orange. Because orange. So I'm rolling their own hair. Hi. There's somebody at the door, but no. You just remove the excess. Hold right on. So some people came to visit me, I guess. I don't know how they find my room. They said, oh, they were just passing by. Right. Anyway, so yeah, this is the first one. And it looks okay. It's just this stuff, that the white stuff I'm seeing, it dries up real fast. So don't mind that. So yeah. Yep. It don't look too bad. Don't look too bad. But I want to attempt doing a barrel twist, guys, on my hair. Yes, yes, yes. So let me see how that goes. I'll see you guys in a few.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so we are back after a couple hours. I finished retightening my hair. I'm gonna attempt to do a barrel twist. That's what it's called, right? A barrel twist. I've never done it before, but yeah, just to show you guys how I would do it in my own hair. So to use two at the front here and make a normal two-strand twist. You don't have to go all the way down, right? You take the next one right above it and go over. I'm making sure I'm not getting anything else caught in it. I just twist this around the same two-strand that I did before. I really hope this turns out look good, yeah. Sure. And this next one. So you always do it over the two-strand that you created. Over. So you see this one here, I'll do it over. I think right here is good. So we can pull out everything else. Okay, this is the first one. I don't think it looks too bad. For the next side, and I plan to twist these since everything here is twist. I'm just going to twist these and let out the hair and see how everything looks at the end. So yeah,
A few inches later.
So I'm on the last lock.
Calm down.
Guys. Oh my god. I'm gonna add the camoose and then we're ready. We're ready. Thank you guys for staying throughout this whole video and see you in the next chapter of life with me.